Hey there guys, welcome to our Wilson lesson today, where we're reviewing what closed syllables are. So if you look at that slide, a closed syllable has one vowel, it ends in one or more consonants, and the vowel is always short unless it's a closed syllable exception. We don't have any of those today. To remember a closed syllable, you can think of the key words for the short vowel sounds. So for A, it would be apple, a. An example of a closed syllable using short a is at. That a is closed in by one or more consonants. The vowel is short. There's only one vowel in the word. Same thing with bed. There is one vowel. It is closed in by one or more consonants at the end of the word, and the vowel is short. Same thing for ship. There is one vowel in the word. It is closed in or ends in one or more consonants, and the vowels making its short sound. Block would be another example of a closed syllable. Because the word has one vowel, the word ends in one or more consonants. In this case, it is a digraph, and the vowels making its short sound. Another example, final example, is thrust. One vowel, the word ends in one or more consonants. In this case, it's a two-letter blend, where you can make those separate consonant sounds and blend them together, and the vowel is making its short sound. When you get to your activity, you can actually use something that is called the scribble tool. So you're going to go up to the line tool, and you're going to click that drop down and click on scribble. So when you start to go through and ask yourself, is this a closed syllable or not, you're going to either circle it if it's closed, or you're going to cross it out if it is not closed. If you need to review what a closed syllable is, you can always go back here, but I'm also going to have some guidelines in the side here so you can look. This one has one vowel, the word ends in one or more consonants, and the vowel short. The word is clock, so the O is saying ah. You can circle that one to show that it is a closed syllable. For the next one, there is one vowel that is closed in by one or more consonants. The word is ill, so the word, again, is a closed syllable, and I'll make sure that I fix this so that it doesn't move on you. There, that's good. Okay, so you would just circle that one because it's a closed syllable. Let's look at a word that doesn't look like a closed syllable. This one here has two vowels, so we know right away that it's not a closed syllable because a closed syllable must have one vowel. And in this case, the word also does not end in one or more consonants. It actually ends in a vowel. So that's two strikes against it. And the vowel here is not making a short sound. It's saying I in the word bike. Okay, so you're actually going to cross that one out. Okay, so try your best. If you have questions, feel free to message me.